In today's video, I'm going to break down one of my key offers that I sell to local service-based businesses, all powered by AI and go high level. And I'm going to walk through exactly what it is and why it's so effective and how you can actually start doing the same thing by the end of this video. Just so you can see on screen, this is some processor history. I don't like showing up-to-date information because it's kind of impending on my privacy. But you can see I've been doing this stuff for a very long time. Generating over 125 grand just on this one processor in 6 months. And the offer I'm about to share with you, I've been doing pretty much the same sort of deliverables, same sort of product, but it's gotten way better because AI just gotten way better over the last year. So it's not rocket science. It's not a new offer that people aren't talking about. This is something called a digital employee, or what you can call some sort of receptionist, like an AI receptionist. And I'm going to walk through an exact demo of what mine sounds like, because there's a lot of shitty sounding ones. I spent a lot of time really dialing in my own AI receptionist. The way that I approach this is as a after hours employee. I work with med spas, and one of the main things that I like to lean into as a piece of pain is that over 30 to 40% of calls made to a specific clinic, any clinic, statistically 30 to 40% of those calls are made to the clinic during and after business hours. That's a lot of call volume, especially if it's a multi-location clinic. They're missing out on so much money by not having some sort of system in there to catch those leads. Here's a quick demo of what my voice AI agent sounds like. Okay, I'm gonna call myself right now on my phone. Wait for it to pop up. So it says Beamly AI caller. I know it's kind of out of focus, but this is my internal system calling me now.
Hey, is this Frank?
Yeah, it is. Who's this?
Hi, this is Maddie from Beamly. I'm calling because you were just on our site looking at that breakdown of the annual revenue loss from clients not rebooking. I know you're probably super busy, but do you have like literally 60 seconds?
Yeah, you called me pretty quick there.
Oh yeah, no worries. You just filled out our form on our site like a few minutes ago to get that revenue estimate. I just wanted to make sure you actually saw it once you typed in your info. Do you remember seeing that?
Yeah, I just pulled it up a second ago.
So, did you really get a second to look at that number? Most owners we talk to are kind of shocked when they see they're losing like $15,000 to $20,000 a month to silent churn. Does that number feel pretty accurate for your clinic, or does it seem high to you?
I'm not sure. It seems kind of high, but I've never really sat down to calculate the numbers. Is there a way I could just talk to Frank?
Yeah, I hear that a lot. Honestly, it's why our founder Frank started this. We just worked with a clinic out in Scottsdale, super similar to yours, and they recovered just over $195,000 in a year just by working with us. It's pretty awesome. Frank's actually doing a few quick 20-minute deep dives this week to show owners exactly where those ghost clients are hiding in their specific CRM. Is that something you'd be open to looking at with him?
Yeah. Can I talk to him on Monday, tomorrow, the 27th at like 10 a.m.?
Let me see. Okay, cool. He actually has a gap tomorrow. Does 10 a.m. or maybe like 2 p.m. work better for you?
10 a.m.
Gotcha. I've got you down for 10 a.m. Awesome. You're going to get a confirmation link over text in just a second. Frank's really looking forward to it.
Okay, so it's kind of crazy, right? Like you'll hear different AI voice agents that sound a bit more robotic. Like the average person in my demographic that I sell to and do business with, most of them would have no idea that's an AI agent, because there's a lot of refining with tonality and different pauses to make it sound more human-like and more realistic. So that itself is an offer that I sell for $497 a month to med spas. So that exact call right there, that's my internal system. Now I'm able to change that to be whatever I want, right? So that's my own internal system anytime I miss a call inbound to me. So the whole concept is I have a free lead magnet on my main website for my med spa stuff. And basically that is going to call each person that fills out their information to qualify them, answer any questions with the goal and the intent to get them on my calendar so I can talk to them. I was kind of being a bit more aggressive to get on the phone and just show you how the booking process works. But it's actually very good at objection handling too. So if you want to start selling this sort of system to other local service-based businesses, I want to give you access to using that exact agent. Of course, you'll be able to go in there and change certain, metrics and stuff like that. But making it sound that good, it took a lot of time. So if you want to be able to get access to that, go down below this description and sign up for Go High Level. I have an exclusive 30-day free trial period opposed to a 14-day trial period. And from there, you'll be able to get access to it in my main snapshot. And just import it right into your CRM. You can program it to whatever industry or niche you want, and kind of off to the races there. So this right here is inside of Go High Level actually. This is the CRM that I use to run everything for my automations, workflows, funnels, my website, the voice AI agent, my calendar, all of it. I mean, I have videos from over 3 years ago of me making Go High Level videos, and I felt like coming back today because there's been a lot of things that have changed in the Go High Level community, and I've always used this product even since I stopped making YouTube videos going over high level. I've always used it. So I have a lot of information blurred out here just for privacy reasons of people. But basically, this is a mixture of people that are inbound, people that we've imported from lookalike audiences, and then we will either text, call, or email them, or they're added to a sequence, or whatever the case is. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I truly do believe that the voice agent side of things here is a really good opportunity still. I know a lot of people are making videos about it. A lot of people are already selling it. But if you're able to tap into a certain industry or niche and have different framing than everybody else and really create that pain point and then fill the pain with the solution, which is the voice agent, I think it's still a really, really good offer to sell. And this is something you could sell for $297, $397 a month just on its own if you're in the right space. I just wanted to come in here and show you a demo of the exact voice agent and how it sounds, because there's a lot of shitty ones out there. So like I said, if you want to get access to that, you know where to go down below, and I'll be able to share that with you once you go ahead and sign up for the free trial with Go High Level. But I'm going to be putting out more Go High Level videos moving forward, probably 2 to 3 times a week, and just breaking down what exactly my business is in more detail, as well as just giving you other insights and sharing any information I think is valuable with you guys. So make sure to stick around for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.